Why is nobody talking about how this red cap is never an Igbo cap? The stonehack red cap was introduced by the colonial masters to the Igbo warrant chiefs that now transformed into Igbo certificates. Here is the interesting thing. This stonehack red cap is produced in Czech Republic. The Igbos never had a king or an Igwe before the colonial masters came. These warrant chiefs were just puppets to the colonial masters. They could do everything within their powers to please the white men. A lot of people will ask, if this red cap was not originally for the Igbos, what were our forefathers wearing? The cap that the Igbo ancestors used were made from horse tail and skin, bull hide and skin, antelope, leopard, raffa skin, and the feathers attached to it were that of eagles and pelican falcons. This red cap was adopted after the colonial eras by the Igbos. As an Igbo person that wants to uphold the ancient ordinana, this cap is not for you. You should go back to the original cap made from animal skins worn by your forefathers. If you disagree with this, please tell me in the comment section.